Ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen here, the ice cream bloke, self-appointed headmaster at Scoop School. Thank you so much for tuning in on this video. We love all of the questions. We love the love. Met a lot of people in Italy that have been following the channel. So if you are anywhere in the world, thank you very much for your viewerage. Also want to thank our episode sponsor, Lloyd's of Pennsylvania, or as I like to call them, La Lloyd's. Their link is down below. Purveyors of finest quality ice cream mix, custard mix. There's a food scientist on staff there, stabilizers. We're going to talk about that a little bit today. Anyway, their link is down below. Lloyd's of Pennsylvania, Andy and Barry, thank you very much for your episode sponsorship. Okay, love answering viewer questions. Shing. We got a viewer question from Rashikesh here. He starts his question with, "Hello, Guruji." Hello, thank you. Question is, if we incorporate stabilizers, emulsifiers, and liquid glucose into the ice cream base mix, would this still qualify as natural ice cream according to industry standards? Great question, because we find that we have a lot of people who are buying a base mix. You'll find that in the States where base mixes are very common, very accessible. It's a lot easier to do that, but there's a lot of people who follow the channel in the US and around the world that are still interested in making a base mix to basically be the foundation for all of their flavors. So the question is, if you want to go by all natural in industry standards. So my first question to you is, what is the industry standard? Over here in the US, we have what's called a standard of identity that the US FDA publishes. And there's certain guidelines to ensure that different type of products, food, ice cream, all sorts of things, end up being within those guidelines. So number one is do some research into all natural to make sure that you fall within, or at least know the guidelines. So the second part of that is stabilizers, emulsifiers, and sugared glucose, or a simple syrup you could call that. The answer is, well, maybe. See, if you take this product from Lloyd's, it's an all-natural stabilizer. All natural, says it on the label here. Now, what does it have in it, I hear you ask? Well, I'm going to tell you anyway. It's got guar gum, tara gum, carrageenan, locust bean gum, and standardized with sugar, meaning that what the particulates and the particles of that powder are so fine that it needs sugar as a carrier. It's not overly sweet, but it separates out all of those ingredients with sugar. Yes, they are all plant-based organisms, and so the process of, and we've done a video before this, on this before, is that, I mean, is there a stabilizer tree? Can you pick this from the stabilizer tree? Well, the answer is no, but it's all natural products that have been processed together. So you can get all natural stabilizers like these plant-based ones. You can get all natural emulsifiers like egg yolk is a natural emulsifier. That's why chefs put that in cookies and cakes and all different sorts of things. So there are all natural emulsifiers and stabilizers that do qualify with the all natural. There are also others that are manufactured either chemically or artificially, and you do need to nominate if it is not natural. So again, look at your labeling laws, look at what the definition of all natural is, and then have a look at the ingredients themselves and see whether it falls in. If you have any questions, and I know a lot of people don't like to reach out to the regulatory people, but to cover your backside, it is important to make sure that you fall within those definitions. So a quick call always to either your state agricultural department, the federal agricultural department is very important. Great questions. We love our questions. Thank you for the question. Guru questionnaire. If you have any questions about the ice cream industry, mixes, bases, flavors, procedures, send them in down below. Put a little comment down there. Put some typing sound in here, Madeline. We'd love to read your comments, answer your questions. We love to thank our sponsors. Thank you, Andy and Barry at Lloyd's. Their link is down below. If you'd like to reach out to Andy or Barry about the stabilizer question, they love answering questions as well. That's all we have for this video. Keep on scooping, folks. We'll see you in the next one.